Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis, I think last week at some point. That's where this green line is coming from, and at that point in time, I talked about it as support. And to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a fantastic job of holding above support. And then today, finally got a nice, decent-sized move. Sure, the price did pull back from its highs, but even, where it closed today relative to where it was, still overall good bullish day. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon it. Now, how do we measure building upon it? That's kind of, it's one thing to say something, but the nice thing about charts is, well, you can actually kind of quantify statements. So when I say build upon it, the easiest way that I can think to do that, and really two choices. But the first one is just to, get out the old-fashioned trend line and just get a trend line in place. And, simply put, as long as the price is staying above that orange line, that implies that the price is building higher lows, and that's, building upon it. That's making progress as time goes by. I mean, the price could come all the way down here and then make a huge move and then come all the way down here and then come all the way down here. And sure, it keeps coming all the way down there, but each time it pulls back, the price would just continue to get higher and higher, and therefore stair steps would be built in the upwards direction. So that's really the first way you can measure just the overall health of the move. The second way is just to not worry about trend lines and let that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, be the trend line. And I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people, because if you don't like to draw trend lines, fine. This line is going to start to draw and look something like that, give or take a little bit. And again, same principle as the orange line. As long as the price is above it, that implies that the lows are getting higher and higher, and that's how longer-term uptrends are built. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, all about the pink line up here, which is that 200-period simple moving average. You can see right there is already acted as resistance. So on any sort of continued move to the upside, that key battleground is going to be at that 200-period moving average. So all in all, bulls are quietly moving up the past few days, so we'll see if they can continue to do that or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.